Okay, this was sent to me by the brand for an honest review, and I have to say I really like it. Let's go see why. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this and take a look and see what is inside and how it works. Always the instructions. Comes in a styrofoam. It's a very nice, solid unit. I will say that it's decent quality. This would be the cord to get it going. So let's go plug it in and see how it works. All right, so I added some water and now we're going to go ahead and put the lid on. Close this up, and it says right here, do not touch the vent when boiling water. Open the lid 2 minutes after the water boils so you don't burn yourself. And you can see on the side here is where it plugs in. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay. And you can see on the side here, milk, tea, coffee, boil. Or just boiled water is 212. That's when we're gonna go with. You can hear it. It's starting to boil. If you can hear that. It's pretty fast actually. Okay, it's telling us it's reached its temperature that I requested, which was a 212 boil, and now it shut itself off. So now it says on the top to wait 2 minutes to open it. So we're gonna wait to 2 minutes, but I'll speed it up. Okay, the 2 minutes are up. Let's go ahead and open it. And some nice hot water.